There are over 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, has 100 to 400 billion stars in it. Orbiting these stars are billions of Earth-like planets. NASA has found the locations of hundreds of these Earth-like planets in our own galaxy, but has never come across actual signs of extraterrestrial life. How come? This is the Fermi paradox, where there's a seemingly high probability of extraterrestrial life, but no real evidence of it. I will only be addressing a few hypotheses and theories which strive to answer the Fermi paradox.
Before that, let's quickly look at the Drake equation. It points out important factors when considering how to contact extraterrestrial civilizations. Perhaps one day research into these factors will help us finally determine if us humans are truly alone in the galaxy and universe. But for now, let's just review 3 interesting hypotheses which might answer the Fermi paradox. The hypothetical Kardashev scale has 3 categories which represent different levels of technological advancement. It tells us how much energy can be used for communication, and our human civilization is at 0.7. The Great Filter hypothesis adds on to the Kardashev scale by saying that there is a filter or a point at which most civilizations become extinct. Filters include events such as self-destruction, and if this filter is after us, then civilizations we could have contacted have already disappeared, and we will too. However, maybe our human civilization was the first to pass this filter, or maybe several civilizations have survived this deadly filter.
This leads us to the zoo hypothesis, which suggests that alien civilizations are purposely choosing not to contact us. Why? Perhaps because they want our civilization to naturally evolve, or they want to contaminate us. A metaphor should help. Just like we allow animals to live in their own natural habitats in reserves and forests, what happens if aliens are doing the same to us?
And finally, the transcension hypothesis. Over the last 80 years, we have made computers more efficient in terms of power and size. Similarly, what happens if we make our entire world undergo a similar change in the name of efficiency, where instead of expanding outwards, we focus inwards, making our world and ourselves smaller in the process? This would sort of create a black hole and could explain why we can't detect intelligent civilizations. Perhaps other intelligent civilizations have already undergone this bizarre transformation.
In short, maybe the great filter of extinction is ahead of us. Perhaps the aliens are choosing not to contact us. Maybe transcension is our future, or some other hypothesis holds. Regardless, the only way to know if we are truly alone in our galaxy and in the universe is through further experimentation and discovery.